to the firefly. Ba't parang gumagalaw na? Ba't gumagalaw na agad? Meron na akong phobia. We're going to the firefly area. Tuloy po kayo. Amang dalawang senior nasa taas na.
To our Korean guests, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so welcome here in Rio Verde Firefly Watching. So my name is Janet, your Firefly guide tonight. Okay, so a friendly reminder, you can take picture and videos with the Firefly, but please avoid flash. Okay, so to our Korean guests, Sajin, later, Pandipol, and Leo, flashing.
Oh, no flash. Amazing. Galing, Kati.
Okay, so this would be our first point. So in this area, this is mangrove tree. Mangrove namu. Okay, so in Philippines, we have here belief. Okay, so here in Philippines, some of Filipino has belief. So if you can see a firefly flutes on the tree, you have to say tabi tabi po.
Tabi.
Excuse me, in a way of respecting them.
Tabi-tabi po. Hey, tabi-tabi po. Wow. Uy, may flash.
Okay, so firefly have 2,000 species here in Philippines. So Philippine fireflies are golden yellow. So firefly also has no sounds, lights only.
Bye, firefly.
Okay, so we are now cruising to Lobo River. So don't worry because there is no alligator here. Okay, so Yugi Lubukang, alligator anaconda of soil.
Wow. Thank you.
This is first time you bring them up.
Yes. First time in Bohol, Manila. Bigyan ng isang jacket yan. Oh my God.
Okay, so this is also a mangrove tree. So if you can see a firefly flying, most of them are male fireflies. So female fireflies stay only on the tree because their wings are very short. So male fireflies are brighter than female fireflies.
Clap more. Okay, thank you. Lumabas talaga sila, no?
Okay, so we're moving now into our next point. Your mother tea.
Oh, that's my tree.
Okay, so firefly eat sometimes they eat honey, or firefly also eat small insects. But some of them they eat nectar or pollen flowers.
There you go. Mababa. Ayan na.
No.
Ay, sorry. Ay. Wow. Lalapit sila, oh. Are you hungry? Abot kamay na. Yeah, up close and come here, come here. Wow, it's almost here. Andito na sila. Ah, yung kahoy kasi. May diwata. Oh my God, thank you. This is wonderful, Cathy. Nandito na nga sa ulo ko na. Chubby po. This is our firefly here in Luay, Bohol. Amazing. God's love. Yan ba yung Uy, baka maano siya. Kuya, tama na. Kawawa ka naman. Okay na kami.
Buhaya.
Tumaob tayo. Okay na kuya, wag mo nang ugain. Uy, ano to? Nabangga na tayo. Uy, Rich, ka ba yun? What happened? U-turn na. Down na. Ay, time na. Oh! Wow! Wow!
Talagang humalik sa gusto.
Hinalikan ka? Wow!
Hindi naman na sila nangangagat.
Kati, alam ko na next na project ni Mayor, pailawan to.
Hindi. Kailangan talaga
Padilim talaga.
Kailangan padilim para makita mo sila kasi
Ay kasi paano yung nagda-drive? Ay
ano ba ng driver?
memorize na. Breakfast with Mayor bukas ah. Senior discount. Mayor. We're going back here. Provided. Clap your hand. Clap everyone. Let's wow. Uy, andito na siya. Ayun oh, may naligaw.
Okay, so in this area, this is the highlights area.
Wow,
So
highlights.
highlights na mo. Bandipol, Manayo.
Oh,
So this is Talisay tree. Talisay na mo.
kaya pala. Sa mamahalin talagang tree.
Yes, iba naman po.
Dito tayo sa mamahalin na tree. Pangdadamot ko to.
The rotometer benefits female or male paticle. Both of the female, they stay on the leaves, blinking for 2 seconds very slowly. While the male one, you can see them up above flying, and they will be blinking faster compared to female, and it will be 5 seconds.
Wow. Wow. Oo, ano? Ano kasi to, no? Bakit?
Ang ganda ng video mo, Mother. No? Iba yung kuha sa kanya.
Eh. Okay. Hindi. Pang ano to? This is for vlog. Kailangan kumita ko $1 dito. Sino nag... Bye, Firefly. See you again.
Produce 500 eggs. So after that, 45 days, egg will be hatched. So 1 to 2 years of their larva season. So after 2 years, they become an adult fireflies. So firefly also don't live long. 2 months only on their lifespan.
Oh.
2 months lang pala sila mother. Hope to see you again next time.
Thank you.